am Kasturi Hendik, a student of class 7 from JNV Sibsagar. Today I am going to talk about my earthquake alarm model, which can help us to detect earthquake before it create any massive destruction. For making this model, material used are a 9-volt battery, a on-off switch, a buzzer, a copper wire, a safety pin, and a small knot. Now let's see how it works. It is warning me that it has saved. This project helps us to detect earth event before it caused massive destruction. Thank you.